Hey, if you want to ride with me, you want to ride in the rain, come ride with me. As y'all see, it's raining. Day 3, rain. Well, I tell you the truth. But still, you gotta love it. Hey, bike ain't getting hot. Bike ain't getting hot at all. That's for darn sure. There's a none at the Quick Trip, QT. Whenever I'm in there, I get non-ethanol. Cheers. And my daughter going to the military. She gone. But I know she don't do well because she a Banks. She came from me. That's just like me. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, back what I was saying. My daughter, she a leader. She come from me. She an athlete. Smart as hell. So, and she ain't scared to call her daddy and ask him a question. So I know she's gonna do well. I know she's gonna do well. I'm proud of that child. God bless me with some wonderful kids. Some wonderful children, for real. We got 7 of them. And 1 grandson. Woo. I'm headed to Houston now. See my lawyer that's gonna be a lawyer. I mean, my daughter that's gonna be a lawyer. Wow. Well, we continue. Get on down this road. Whew. And I tell y'all, take it like true, right? And always, like I always say, enjoy your best life. Oh, motherfucking really. It's been raining cats and dogs ever since I got on the damn road. I'm like an hour and 33 minutes away. Soaking wet all the way through. Look, I just got through talking to y'all. Wasn't even goddamn recording. I just got down, filled up Rose. I'm like an hour and 35 minutes away from Houston. Look at that. Still raining. Call me Ace Rain Man. I ain't complaining about it's rain. I'm just letting y'all know it's rain. I can complain when I can't be able to get out here and ride. But I feel like I'm soaked all the way through. I feel like I'm soaked all the way through. I was just on the half. I had to do the number 2. So I'm on there filled up. I always remember when you stop, fill up. If you stop that motherfucker, go ahead and fill up. See it. Traffic ain't bad. It just rained like a motherfucker. Them trucks is disrespectful. They disrespectful. Boy. I ain't gonna wait out. I'm getting my ass on. Take me a shot. I'm making time to take me a shower, relax, have me a beverage, watch some TV. Shit. But hey, I appreciate y'all, man, for hanging in there, watching this shit. Well, just a country boy, love to ride. I know I ain't did no fishing yet. Well, all my fish are gonna come next year. Because I'm chasing 50,000 miles, 50K this year. Next year, I'm in search of that 15-pound bass fish, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all for hanging in there with me, tuning in, subscribing. Hey, when you see me, showing me love. Hey, when I'm in your city, just let me know, man. So we can go to the cigar shop, sit down, chop it up. Or if I ain't in your city, you want to go sit down, sample smoke, have some tequila or whatever, let's do it. I ain't tripping. That's what I like that shit. All right? But hey, man, y'all take care of yourself, enjoy yourself, and enjoy your life. But we only got one. Oh, motherfucking ready. In the rain for 4 hours. 4 hours. Constant rain. Texas gonna be a tropical place for real. They say everything is big in Texas. I firmly believe that now. It rained on me from Dallas, Texas, all the way to Houston. No little bit rain, big ass rain. From about 2:38 to 7:38. 7:38 when it stopped raining. When I got out the rain and whatnot. When I said, look at what I'm saying. When I say I'm soaked, I don't close with it. That race suit didn't do shit. Not for that. Not for that at all. Woo. Thank you, Lord. The trucks is very disrespectful when it's raining as well. Thank you, Lord. Get me here safely. Thank you, Lord. Hey, y'all take it like treat it right. Enjoy your best life, despite of whatever it is. Finally made. Look at this, my hand. Soaked all the way through my drawers. Soaked. Well, that's the end of it. Go ahead and relax, shower, relax, and all that good shit. Y'all take it like treat it right. Enjoy your best life. Oh, motherfucking ready.